Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my YouTube channel for the Michael Papinchak Show. Please go to my website, tmpspodcast.com. I'll put the URL in the description below. We talk about a lot of things on my podcast, and one of them is watches. My co-host Jason and I love watches, and I just got this watch in the mail. It is the G-SHOCK GA-2100, and this is the 2100 VB-1A. It was $100. I got it off Amazon, and this is watch number 50. I have 50 timepieces now of varying makes, models, prices, etc. I have not seen this watch yet. I am literally going to unbox it with you right now. So let's take it out. There's so many different versions of this watch. Oh, and for those who don't know, this is the CASIOK. That is the nickname for the GA-2100. So let's take it out of the box. Here is the tin. Comes in this nice tin. And let's take this off. I haven't seen it yet. Oop. All right, we got the G-SHOCK international warranty. We got the booklet. And here it is. See, still all wrapped in plastic. You're going to see it when I see it. All right, let's get it out of the plastic. Yeah, there are so many different versions of the CASIOK. And literally, I could have bought 3 or 4 of them because I like so many different versions. But this is the one that I went with. And here it is. This is the one that I went with. I got it off Amazon. Like I said, 99 bucks. $100. I really like the purple and the pink and the teal. I thought that was a good look. There it is. Still got the tag on it and everything. And, you know, this watch is a big hit. Excuse me, a big hit. Obviously shaped like the AP Royal Oak, which is why they call it the CASIOK. And let's just throw it on here. I don't know if that tag is going to get in the way, but let's just toss it on. And there it is. So you can have a cool 8-sided watch look like the Royal Oak for only $100. Plus it's a G-SHOCK. It's durable. And there it is. Watch number 50. There is a blue one that I really like because these watches are inexpensive. I might get a couple of them. I definitely like the look. I like how it looks on my wrist. This one's very stealthy. All black except for the highlight, you know, like the purple and the pink and the teal. Really gorgeous. So there it is, guys. The CASIOK GA-2100. And there are, like I said, go on Casio.com, G-SHOCK.com, whatever the websites are. There's many different versions. They even make something that you take off the strap, which I can see here. There are little, looks like you can easy take off the strap. And you can actually buy these things off Amazon that are like metal casings, and you put the case into it, and it has a metal strap. It makes it look even more like the Royal Oak. Guys, this is a fantastic one. I mean, Casio, God tier. You have to have a Casio. A G-SHOCK especially. I would go out and get one of these. I think it's, you know, and like I said, there's many different versions for all different types of styles. But go out. Casio, watch number 50. There it is. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. Check out my website, my podcast. We're on iTunes, Spotify. I try to put the podcast up on YouTube, SoundCloud, tmpspodcast.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.